finished his afternoon prayers at the mosque, he stepped outside into the bright, warm sunshine. He felt very happy as he started his walk home, humming a little tune and skipping along the stone path. As Bilal turned the corner near a large, leafy bush, he saw something tucked in the grass. It was brown and shiny. Bilal stopped and leaned down to get a closer look. It was a leather wallet. Bilal picked up the wallet and opened it. Inside, he saw many colorful paper bills. It was a lot of money. Bilal knew his mother and father always said that being honest is the most important thing. "I must find who this belongs to," he said to himself. Bilal decided to go to the busy market. He thought the owner might be there, looking for what they had lost. He walked past the stalls that smelled like sweet dates and spicy cinnamon, keeping his eyes on the ground and the people. Bilal saw a man named Malik, who was busy stacking oranges at his fruit stall. "Excuse me, Mr. Malik," Bilal said politely. "Did you happen to lose a brown wallet today?" Malik stopped his work and checked his pockets. Malik patted his pockets and shook his head. "No, Bilal, it is not mine," he said with a kind smile. "But I saw an old man near the bakery who looked very worried. He was searching the ground as he walked." Bilal thanked Malik and hurried toward the bakery. In front of the shop, he saw an old man named Yusuf. Yusuf was leaning on his wooden cane, looking under benches and behind big baskets of bread. He looked very sad. Bilal walked up to the old man. "Assalamu alaikum, Mr. Yusuf," Bilal said softly. "Are you looking for something you lost?" Yusuf looked up, and Bilal could see that his eyes were full of worry. Bilal held out the brown leather wallet. "Is this yours?" he asked. Yusuf's face suddenly changed from sad to very, very happy. "Oh yes, praise be to God," Yusuf cried. "Thank you, Bilal. You are a very honest boy." Bilal felt a warm, wonderful glow in his heart as he walked the rest of the way home. He was glad he could help Mr. Yusuf. He learned that honesty makes everyone happy. Always return what does not belong